Okay, here is the full exploded view. So I'm just going to double click on it. And here you have the steps. I'm just going to, there's our explode line sketch. I'm just going to hide that for a second. So if I double click on the exploded view, it collapses. Double click on it again to expand it out. And in here, in the configuration manager, I can use the rollback option to roll back, and you can see the steps. So the first thing we did was take out the screws, as you've seen that before. Then we moved everything up. Then I took out the grub screw. Then we moved these components out. And you've seen that in the previous video. Then I explode these here. There's the power cylinder. Then we take out the pin. And then we can translate out the piston. Take out the screw. Move out the conrod. And if you want to reuse the steps that you used previously for this subassembly, you can right click here and go in and explode the step, or edit the step I should say. You can go back in, and if you use this option here, reuse subassembly explode, that will allow you to reuse the steps that you did previously if you wish. You might find it useful as well when you're working with subassembly to tick this box so you can pick the individual parts. If this is unticked, subassembly behaves as a single object. So we then took out the back grub screw, took out the shaft and the bearing, and then moved the components at the back, took out the screws there at the top, cross cylinder support, and move out the pipe. And with any of these steps, they can be reordered. You can drag them up and down. Okay, so it should make sense, but you know, you can drag and change the order. So now I take out the screws and then the pipe, but that wouldn't make sense. So let's move the pipe back down after. And so you can tell a story that makes sense when you're doing this. So take out the tin nut, or translate it out, there's the subassembly, and so on. So it should make sense. I'll just quickly go through the steps there. And that's the final exploded view. When you've done that, you can then add in the explode line sketch, and you'll find that under here, explode line sketch. So it should look something like this.